Hi, I'm Hugh from SRI, and in this video we want to show you how to replace the hydrogen generation cell in a GC that has the built-in hydrogen generator. So what I'm touching with my finger, that's the hydrogen generation cell, and if it goes bad, we'll probably have discussed it on the phone and we'll have sent you a new one. So when you get it, this is what you do to put a new one on. So you'll need a 5/16 wrench. So you loosen these bolts. Really, they're bolts that hold this kind of arch, this aluminum arch on top of it. The arch is there to protect the cell from getting, banged or dinged or stuff like that. So the arch just kind of pulls out. If you loosen it enough, you can just pull the arch out and away. You can see how it connects in there. And then it's a little easier to remove the two bolts. But before I do, since it's nice and sturdy here, something's holding it up, I'm going to remove the two electrical connections, right? So there's just two wires. So we just unscrew the two wires.
Yeah. And you have a heated injector.
And then same for the green one.
Okay, the reason I asked is we made them with and without the heated, some were on column. But, right, you say once you take the septum nut off,
And then you can unscrew
there's nothing inside, no liner, or,
this outlet tube.
yeah? Uh-huh.
And the outlet tube is secured with a silicone ferrule, a silicone rubber. Really it's just a little bit overhand tight. You don't have to really tighten it up very much. And then if you remove the two bolts,
Take the whole liner out. And
then
this liner has got
the entire
a knot.
hydrogen generator can be removed. And typically when you get a new one, you'll have to put this little receptacle on. So these just pull off, and then this is what you get from us. There's a little protecting tube here. You just take that off and then you reassemble in the reverse direction. So thank you. That's really all there is to replacing the hydrogen generator cell.